Hi everyone, good morning to all of you and hope that all of you are fine and I'm also doing well. And now I'm standing here, and as we can see, this is our jute field, like jute plants, and day by day jute plants growth. And I was came here this jute field like 3 days ago, and now these jute plants growth. And when I was came here at that time, uh, these jute plants actually very small, and now it's very uh, growth actually develop. So it's a natural way actually day by day growth. And so as we can see, and actually in this season, and this jute all jute plants, and very good quality. Okay, so and now actually morning time, and morning time actually very good moment. And when I wake up in the morning, and actually mind fresh, and so very helpful for health condition when I wake up early in the morning. And I suggest to you every person, you wake up early morning. So actually morning time air actually very fresh air. Okay, so that's why very helpful for our health when I wake up early in the morning. Okay, so and also I uh, get enough time. uh, Actually wake up early in the morning, I have so many enough time. Okay, like study purposes, working purposes, and morning time also I are actually exercise, not every day, but some days I are running in the morning, actually exercise. Okay, so dear friends, and nowadays I can't exercise, and I can't, actually I couldn't wake up early in the morning. Actually when I uh, actually sleeping at the time, actually very lately sleeping, that's why I couldn't wake up early in the morning. And today I woke up around 5 a.m. and now I am making on blog video, and study I not making blog video, and now I'm making on blog video. Okay, so thank you, bye bye.